everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's do unboxing of the welding machine. The name of the brand is Parkside. This welding machine is below 100 euro. You can order this one. We buy this one in the Lidl. So I will show you first the unboxing. The part 2 of this one is we do a welding, and I try to weld for curiosity, just to I think a woman can do also welding. So this is it. This is only below 100 euro. This is the brochure of the welding machine. You can read it in English, Dutch, French, German, and Poland, and Chinese, and others. So we have to go to the English. Before using the welding machine, you have to read this brochure. You have to know the technical specification, the safety notes. This device can be used by children 16 years and older, and also by person with reduced physical and sensory or mental capacity, or a lack of experience and knowledge, if they are supervised or they have been instructed with regard to the safe use of the device and they understand the dangers it presents. Do not allow children to play with the product. So there is also a warning. The danger source from light arc welding. Attention. You have to read everything. The danger from electrical shock, the danger from welding smoke, the danger from welding sparks, the dangers from arc welding, the danger from electromagnetic fields, welding screen specific safety notes, environments with increased electrical risk, welding in confined spaces, adding of open circuit voltages, use of shoulder slings, protective clothing, protection from radiation and burns. So it is very important that you have to read it before using the welding machine, because to avoid damage of the machine, and also for your own safety. Kani siya, para ni siya sa imong dagway, ibutang tabon sa imong dagway para proteksyon, o kani siyang murag bildo, murag sami ni siya para di malagsikan ang imong mata sa kalayo. So this is for safety in your eyes, in your face. So mao ni siya ang purpose. So this is at the back. The brand is Parkside. So there's a phone and we have to open this one so that you can see inside, and this is inside. That's why it is important to read the brochure so that you will know this one. Kaya pinakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya nilagay ng asawa ko para kung sakali magbili kayo nito ng welding machine, alam niyo kung paano siya gagawin. So, pinasok niya.
Isa sa amin lagi. And that one, that is the reason behind for that.
The part 2 of this is welding. I do.
It's not a welding?
So I think it is so exciting for the first time that I do welding in this new welding machine. So I'll show you
Uy, manigay si Derry.
how my husband do it. And I hope you will watch the part 2 of this one. And thank you for watching.